Now we're all taking pictures.
We're going that way.
Happy New Year.
Thank you. Happy New Year. We're in San Diego, we're about to fly back to Salt Lake City, and we're going into 2019 in like 36 hours, something like that. I was trying to figure out how I really wanted to approach it. We spent 2018 trying to find our voice. The thing about it is, I've been, for like the last couple years, I've been really unhappy with like the mindset out here. When I was growing up, everybody was talking about making money and putting it up, like saving it and doing the right things with it, investing it. You know I'm about that. But for some reason, 2016, 2017, 2018, and I think 2019, everybody's gonna be on this wave, you know, go spend it, send it, buy the bar, like it's time to change the narrative, you know? And so I've been waiting for someone to like come out and be like, hey man, that's really not that cool. So, you know, I'm sitting there and I'm like, man, somebody's gotta say it. Here's the thing, I guess I gotta do it, all right? 2019, you're gonna hear me go against the grain. I'm really against the grain. I'm not into like spending our hard-earned money. It took me 6 years to learn how to invest. Started my first business 10 years ago. There's a lot of lessons that I learned. Even in 2018, I lost 100 grand in one trade, 100 grand alone, to be able to teach you guys the things that I know now. So here's the thing, man. We're about to change the narrative. We're really gonna talk about how it really should go down. We gotta put this money up. Millennials to millionaire, put it up, do the right things. And I'm not gonna say don't spend it. You guys, I'm gonna talk about how to spend it here in a minute. We're gonna spend it, we're gonna have a whole lot of fun. We're gonna ball responsibly. All right, I gotta go, guys. I'm gonna catch you on the other side. I was gonna text you. You record? The thing about M to M is we don't believe in saving money. Like if you know anything about us, we don't believe in that saving stuff. We believe that income is more important than saving. I always just say, would you rather have $10,000 saved up or $10,000 coming in every month? $10,000 a month? It's way better, right? Everybody knows about off-white. See a shirt? My mom's gonna kill me, okay? So the shirt's $525, right? Who the fuck, I get it. Who the fuck would spend $525 on a shirt? Here's the thing about the shirt, man. The shirt, it has resale value. People want the shirt, all right? So what you do is go ahead and spend the $525, throw it on one of these clothing websites for $500. What did you really spend? $25, right? Instead of going out and buying all this Lacoste shit you can't resell. You're in here trying to save money by buying all the cheap stuff. Dude, you spent $40 on your tee when you could have just spent the $525 and really left $25 that you really spent. I thought it was a big airport.
No, I kept trying to tell you.
Anyway, what you really should be putting your money in is real estate, these stocks and bonds, stuff that appreciates, not clothes and just bullshit, you know? I'm not saying you can't buy all the fucking clothes, but do it the right way. And that's about it, man. We're about to wrap this trip up. I want to show you the rest of the footage. We'll catch you back in Salt Lake.